into GitHub a little bit so that way we can go over what happens when you're done with your PR. Okay, so if you go ahead and look, you can see and track all of my commits, okay, since I started working on my user account creation feature. Okay, I'm on the branch user account creation. All right, so what I would do at work is I would go ahead and I'd ask for a review from someone on my team. Now, there's no one on my team, so I would look at it, okay? But if I was reviewing someone else's, what I would do is I would look at like what their commits are to try to understand what each of their like goals were of their work over the week. And then I would go ahead and look at the files that were changed, okay? And then through the files that were changed, I'd look at all of the code that was added, okay? I'd go ahead and I'd review and add comments. And I'd review whether, like, yes, this is okay. No, I don't think this is okay. Please change this, and so on, okay? When I'm done, I would go ahead and approve it, okay? I can't review my own pull request, right? So this doesn't really work when you're working alone, but it does work in the sense of now I have a history for everything that I did on this feature, and if something's super messed up about it, I can roll it back, okay? So I feel good about the work that I did, so I'm going to go ahead and merge my pull request. What this is doing is it is going to take my user account creation branch and it's going to merge it into main, okay? Then I can go ahead and delete my user account creation branch because it's no longer necessary because all my code is within main. Now, at work or in personal, I would delete branches that I no longer used. Since I want to kind of keep a track of all my code, I'm not going to do that for this project, but you can go ahead and do it. And so then you'll go ahead and see all of your branches here, okay? So now that everything's been merged into main, I can go to my code here and I can go ahead and do get status just to make sure everything's up to date, okay? Then I'm gonna say get checkout main, okay? And so this is where this is where I was at before. So locally, this is what I have. This is what my Git knows about main, okay? So this isn't updated, right? Because I just merged on GitHub. So what I need to do then now is I need to pull my changes down from main. So I say get pull, and now all my files look the same as they just were, okay? Then I would check out whatever, if I was working with other people and someone just said, my pull request is done, I just merged, I would then check out the branch that I was just on and merge with main, okay? But I don't have to do that because I'm done. But what I would do, okay, is I would go and look at what my next feature is, user account maintenance, and then that is where I would do my get checkout -b and then do user account maintenance, okay? I'm not gonna do that because I'm not ready to get started on my next branch, and I'll likely show that in the next feature. But I just wanted to show you what the end of a pull request looks like too. All right, see you guys later.